Good day everyone. Talking about kiln operators, you're probably aware that one of the best techniques to train and develop them is to use kiln simulators. One of these simulators caught my attention recently. I'm talking about the Clinker Kiln Simulator, in short, the CKS. I would like to share with you what I found out about it. I will use one of their trial version, a dry process, 5 stages, single line preheater, precalciner and its tertiary air duct, the kiln tube with the drive, 3 supports, and the clinker grade cooler equipped with 6 undergrade fans. All the pressures, temperatures, levels of oxygen, carbon monoxide, NOx are displayed on the system. With a click on any of these values, the trend shows up to the last hour of operation for the operator to understand what has happened. Controls are intuitive. Again, just a click opens the control to increase or decrease settings. Let's have a look at the additional information provided. The central window gives us an overview of the system productivity, the specific thermal energy consumption, and the operating ratios and factors defined by the manufacturer. This other window shows what sort of control loops are installed on the system. Right now, they're grayed off. We're running on manual mode. They can be switched to auto mode together with their respective set points, and even the full process can be switched to automatic control. On this side, we have a short review of the chemistry of our raw meal, the sulfur and chlorine content in the hot meal, and the conditions of our clinker mineral, in other words, the potential reactivity of our clinker. Above, the timer shows how long we've been running the session, and something very useful, the simulation speed. We're running now at timescale 1. We can go up to 20 times faster than real time, thus forecast what will happen in the future. On this side, the evaluation report shows my performance in terms of keeping up my system close to the targets the instructor has set up. With 87%, I'm not doing too bad, but going down fast at 20 times speed. There are other screens on the simulator. For instance, this one shows the major trends normally used in the control room. They record up to 4 hours of history. The next screen shows the lab reports as given every 15 minutes. On the right, the heat values of fuels, their main physical properties, and the respective sulfur and chlorine contents. CKS includes 2 operation training courses, basic and advanced levels. This is very useful to make sure that all our operators are given the same technical knowledge related to clinker firing anytime they need or wanted, not depending on the different levels of competencies and availability of trainers in the plant. The software offers the possibility to save and load or reuse afterwards specific situations, as well as simulation conditions, for instance a kiln ready to feed. It also has a set of built-in lessons to practice operating conditions such as this one, lesson 1. We're looking at a generic kiln, but the CKS can also be tailor-made to reflect a specific kiln system, for instance the one in your plant. Here you can see a few examples of what has been done. The options with CKS are multiple, and training kiln operators has become easy and very much affordable. Showing what can be done and how it should be done will take more than just a few minutes of this video. I invite you to get your free trial version following this link. You will be positively impressed, I am certain of it. Thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to receiving feedback from your experiences